ETC फन अनलिमिटेड को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबाएं और इस घंटे को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे सारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच जाएं। हेलो दोस्तों, और आज हम आपके लिए बनाने जा रहे हैं ETC फन अनलिमिटेड किचन में अंडा करी। तो आइए जान लेते हैं इस टेस्टी डिश को कैसे बनाते हैं। So today we are making egg curry. So we've taken sufficient oil to deep fry the eggs, and we're taking around 4 eggs. So we have taken some besan, some lal mirchi, some dhania powder, and we have coated the egg and we are frying the egg. So what you've done is we have flipped the eggs and we are frying it in a deep fry, and mind it, the oil is very hot at this point of time. This is how the eggs looks like once you have deep fried it, and then we're going to make curry out of it. We have reduced the onion paste, which looks like this right now.
We have to add tomato puree. And tomato puree. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons, 4 spoons. 4 serving spoons of tomato puree to be added to 2 serving spoons of onion puree. Mix it together. Now let's reduce this. We add salt to taste, turmeric, red chili powder, and homemade coriander powder. The garam masala, which I'll put eventually in the later stage, is also homemade.
Okay, so what we've done is we have reduced the entire tomato and the onion paste, and now the smooth paste is ready, and we are adding 240 ml of water into this to make a nice gravy out of it.
And let's bring it to a boil. The moment it starts boiling, we will add the deep fried eggs to it.
So as you can see, we have turned on the flame. Now we are adding the homemade garam masala.
Now see, it has come to a boil. It has started boiling. We will add eggs one by one slowly. And let the eggs absorb the gravy. After 15 minutes, egg curry is ready, which we can eat with good tandoori roti.
And if you are planning to eat it with rice, then you need more.
So we will just move it gently, slowly. Now it's boiling. We will reduce the flame and keep it at the back burner.
So guys, you can see right now that the egg has kind of settled in with the curry, and the curry now seems much more thicker. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure you had an amazing time watching this video as much as we had making this one. So I'd like you to like, share and subscribe. If you've seen the video all this way, I'd like you to click on that subscribe button over there and click on that notifications button so you do not miss out on our next one. So hasta la vista and see you in the next one.